Hello everyone, welcome back to our another tutorial. So today we'll learn how to add a ACF custom post type. So we are adding a custom post type by using ACF. So simply we just need to add a plugin, advanced custom field, ACF. You just add plugin name is ACF. Now you can see this plugin. You need to install this plugin. Just install. So once you plugin install and activate your plugin, so plugin is activated successfully. Now go to fields group and custom post type, custom post taxonomies. So just add a post type, simply. This is a very basic and easy step. So name is post type is books, singular name is book. So taxonomies, because we have not added a taxonomy still, so just simple leave empty. So public, hierarchy based, parent child base. So you just need advanced configuration. You have advanced what is the author, sports, experts, custom field, sport, revision sport, page attribute sport, post formats, comments, trackbacks. If you need add a description, here is a list of books in PDF format. So simply this and save changes. So is our post type created? You can see here's our post type as are created successfully. You just simply add a post type. So here's our WordPress basic editor is open. All the features you can see here's left sidebar, featured image, and everything's here. Test book 1, testing book. So publish. So here's we can view the book is a book type, testing book, and here's the comment section is a blog post, and you can also create a template custom. So you can we can see our other tutorials for how to create a templates and how to create a custom PHP page. So now we understand how to add a taxonomies for this custom post type. You just add a taxonomy. Taxonomy book type, book types, book type. So just simple add a book type is a post type. Specific post type is book. So is a hierarchy base, just like a parent child, advanced configuration, short term, sorting, default term. So you can also term name as leave. You can also change your labels here. So we have all we are going with by default. Visibility, you can also showing in REST API, showing an admin column. So sorry, this is the REST API. So you can also have permissions manage. So simply save changes. Taxonomy is successfully added. You can check in the book section, book type. So here's a book type, English. So simply add English, go to books. Now you can add a book, taxonomies, book types. You can see here select the English and update the taxonomy. So it's simply updated successfully. You can go back to here, see in book types, count 1, yes, and click here. So here's so today we'll learn how to add a custom post type, how to add a custom taxonomies by using ACF. If you like a video, please thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest and more contents. Thank you very much.